Folks, I have these Auxbeam lights. These are the 5Ds mounted on the front of my boat. Just one simple bolt there, one simple bolt going through there, and I've wired it in to the same line that feeds the trolling motor, and I've run my wire back here to turn them on and off right here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to wait for it to get a little bit darker, and we're going to test these lights out on the boat. Here's a test when it's not quite dark. Holy cow, look at that light up. That lights up some stuff now. Let's just move the boat on around so you can see how it lights up stuff. They're a little bit high, but that's okay, because when I get going in the boat, the nose goes down some, so they should lower. As I plane out. Folks, I don't know if you can see that sign over there. Straight at it. With these lights on, you'll be able to see it. Now you can see it. They're pretty bright. Pretty darn bright. I'm gonna go over here where there's just trees and aim them at that. Right ahead of us. See there? Let's get a little closer. They really brighten that stuff up. Off. On. It's a good 100 yards. See how it lights up those pilings over there? Does a real good job of lighting that stuff up so you can see it at night. Turn them back on. Well, they're a little bit high. I can adjust that though. It's no problem to adjust it out. But as you can see, folks, it lights up everything nicely. Plenty of light. Plenty of light.